मेडिकल ट्यूबर में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज का जो हमारा वीडियो है वह एमसीक्यूज बुक ऑफ एमएलटी अर्थात मेडिकल लेबोरेटरी टेक्नोलॉजीज के एमसीक्यूज लेके आए हूँ फ्रेंड्स, जिसमें आप देखेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 40, जिसमें आज आपको जो चैप्टर नंबर 40 में मिलने वाला है साइटोलॉजी टेक्निक्स। तो साइटोलॉजी टेक्निक्स का आज हमारा पार्ट नंबर 2 है। पार्ट नंबर 1 में मैंने ऑलरेडी 50 क्वेश्चन हम लोग यहाँ तक देख चुके हैं। अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 से फिर सेकेंड जो वीडियो बनाने वाले हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको इसका पीडीएफ चाहिए तो कहां से पीडीएफ मिलेगा वो भी आपको बता दो। डिस्क्रिप्शन पे जाएंगे, आपको वहां से लिंक मिलेगा जहां एक बुक का डेमो का बुक है लिंक, और एक है जिसमें आपको मिलने वाला है पूरा फुल पीडीएफ, जो आप यहाँ देखेंगे हमारा एमसीक्यूज बुक ऑफ मेडिकल लेबोरेटरी टेक्नोलॉजी, जो कि मेडिकल लेबोरेटरी साइंस एंड मॉलिक्यूलर डायग्नोसिस पे आधारित है, जो कि मेडिकल लेबोरेटरी टेक्नोलॉजी की एमसीक्यूज रेलवे ग्रुप 5 ऑल स्टेट एग्जाम्स इन सभी के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो फ्रेंड्स, इसका जो ई बुक है वो आपको 49 रुपीज में, जो कि एक प्लेट वड़ा पाव या फिर डोसा का रेट है। तो आप इसको कंटेंट्स देख सकते हैं। ये सारे जो कंटेंट्स आपको यहाँ मिलने वाले हैं। तो इस तरीके से जो आज हम लोग वीडियो देख रहे हैं वह है साइटोलॉजी टेक्निक्स का। इससे पहले हम लोग म्यूजियम टेक्निक का देख चुके हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का हमारा वीडियो। चैप्टर नंबर 40 साइटोलॉजी टेक्निक्स। तो ये रहा फ्रेंड्स हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 51। व्हाट इज द सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन स्पीड रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द नेथन अल्कोहल फॉर्मेलिन मेथड इन सेल ब्लॉक प्रिपरेशन? ऑप्शन ए 1000 आरपीएम, बी 2000 आरपीएम, सी 3000 आरपीएम एंड डी 5000 आरपीएम। एंड करेक्ट जो आंसर है फ्रेंड्स वह आप नीचे कमेंट्स में बता सकते हैं, ताकि एंड पे देखेंगे कितने एमसीक्यूज आपका करेक्ट हुए हैं। इसका करेक्ट आंसर है सी 3000 आरपीएम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 52। विच एलबीसी मेथड यूज अ मोनो लेयर प्रिंसिपल बाय कैप्चरिंग सेल ऑन अ पॉलीकार्बोनेट फिल्टर? करेक्ट आंसर नंबर बी thin prep. Next, what is the major advantage of LBC over conventional smears regarding obscuring factors? And correct answer number is B. It minimized inflammatory cells and debris. Next question number 54. The cytocentrifuge is most effective for which type of specimen? Thick mucoid sputum, very diluent body fluids, solid tissues biopsies and stool samples. And correct answer number is B. Very dilute body fluids. How long is a cytocentrifuge typically run to achieve a monolayer preparation? 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes या फिर ऑप्शन नंबर डी 15 मिनट्स। तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वह सी नंबर 5 मिनट्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इन द पेप्नोकोला स्टेन व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ 0.5% हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड? ऑप्शन नंबर ए टू एक्ट एज अ डिफरेंशिएटर, टू स्टेन द साइटोप्लाज्म ग्रीन, टू फिक्स द सेल to the slide, and to clear the gallin. And correct answer number is A. To act as a differentiator, acid alcohol reagent. Next questions. Which components of the EA36 stain is responsible for staining the cytoplasm of cell? Hematoxylin, light green SF and eosin Y, orange G, mercury chloride. And correct answer number is B. Light green SF and eosin Y. Question number 58. What is the primary use of the crystals violet stain in exfoliative cytology? And correct answer number is B. To give fast and clear cellular details. Which staining method is classified as a Romanowski stain and is used for FNAC smears. PEP stain में Grunwald Giemsa, Jaden stain, PAS stain. Correct answer number is B, MGG stain. How many dips are recommended in the building step during the PEP stain? 1 dip, 10 dips, 15 dips and 100 dips. Correct answer number is B. 10 dips are checked until the nuclei are blue. Next, which stance is used to distinguish between natural and acid mucin? Jaden, PAS stain, oil red O and MGG stain. Correct answer number is B. To identify Cryptococcus or epithelial mucins, which stain is most appropriate? Correct answer number is B, mucicaramine. What color does acid-fast bacilli appears when stained with Gill-Nansen method? Blue, red, green, yellow. Correct answer number is B, red. Next questions. Which stain is especially used to demonstrate iron in cells? PAS, Pulse Prussian blue, Alcyon blue, Toluidine blue. Correct answer number is B, Pulse Prussian blue. In immunohistochemistry, what is the quench step used for? To stain the nucleus, to block endogenous peroxidase activity, to dry the slide, to remove the cover slip. Correct answer number is B, to block endogenous peroxidase activity. Next, problem nuclei are too dark, overstained. What is the likely causes? Excess differentiation, insufficient differentiation, are too long in hematoxylin, using cold water, using thin smear. Correct answer is B. Problems: opaque, cloudy cytoplasm. What is the recommended remedy? Correct answer number is B. Check the dehydration alcohols for water contamination. How frequently should stain be filtered to prevent cross-contamination? Weekly, daily, monthly, only when they look dirty. Correct answer number is B. Next questions. Where should cytological stains be stored to maintain their quality? Option number A, in direct sunlight. B, in dark bottles when not in use. In the freezer. In open plastic trays. Correct answer number is B, in dark bottles when not in use. Next questions. Which reagent in the PEP stain procedure should be replaced most frequently to ensure crisp contrast? Option number A, xylene. B, OG6 and EA solution, tap water and hydrochloric acid. Correct answer number is B. Which of the following describes cell's biology according to the sources? Option number A, the cloudy of abnormal disease. B, the study of normal cellular anatomy, function and chemistry, the study of tissues, and the study of bacteria. Correct answer number is B. Question number 72. Malignant cell often show dense chromatin. What does this mean for the nucleus? It becomes invisible. B, it appears darker and more crowded, granular. It disappears entirely. It turns bright red. Correct answer number is B. Which body cavity fluid is typically collected for cytopathology? Correct answer number is B, pleural or peritoneal fluids. What is the standard fixative for nipple discharge smear? Answer number is B, 95% ethanol. What is the purpose of the saline dehydration techniques? Correct answer number is B, to lyse red blood cells in hemorrhagic fluids. Next questions. Which rapid stain is the specially mentioned as a way to control cross contamination by using it on fresh sets of resin? PES, Toluidine blue, ZN, JMS. Correct answer number is B, Toluidine blue. What is the Harris-Allam hematoxylin specifically staining in the PEP method? Cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm and mitochondria. Correct answer है nucleus. If a slide show microscopic water droplets, what was the likely error? Correct answer number is B, incomplete dehydration before clearing in xylem. Next questions. How should smear two placed in the fixative jar to prevent them from sticking together? Correct answer number is B, back to back. Which terms refer to the spontaneous shedding of cells? Exfoliation. Next, which centrifugation speed is the specially recommended for a processing urine specimen? 2000 rpm for 2 minutes. In the Sacomano techniques for sputum, what is the concentration of the alcohol used? Correct answer number is B, 50% alcohol. Which preparation method is the best for very liquid specimen like nipple discharge or urine? Correct answer number is B, spreading. Next questions. How are cells collected in the thin preparation process? Correct answer number is B, by a gentle negative pressure that draw fluids together a filter. Next questions. Which LBC process involves cell being transferred to a slide via positive pressure? Correct answer number is C, cell transfer. Which preparation method is the best for very liquid specimen like nipple discharge or urine? Correct answer number is B, spreading. Next questions. What is the touch preparation impression smear used for? Correct answer will be freshly cut surface or tissues. What is the primary benefits of the cell block technique? Correct answer number is B, it allows for multiple and serial sections for special stain of IHC. In the Nathan alcohol normalin method for a cell block, which is the ratio of 40% formaldehyde to 90% ethanol? Correct answer number is B, 1:9. Next, which step is the thin preparation process involved the homogenization of the specimen? Correct answer number is B, dispersion. What is the major clinical advantage of LBC over conventional smears? And correct answer number is B, it improves cell preservation and reduces the number of unsatisfactory slides. Next questions. What is the OG6 resin primarily used to demonstrate? Nuclei, the cytoplasm of keratinized cell fungi lipids. Correct answer number is B. In the PEP stain, what is the role of 95% ethanol? Correct answer number is B, to act as both a fixative and dehydration agent. What color do the acidophilic cell-like superficial squamous cell appears in a PEP stain? Blue, pink, green, yellow. Correct answer number is B. What color do basophilic cell like parabasal cells appears in a pap stain? Correct answer will be blue, green or green. How long should a smear be rinsed in tap water after hematoxylin to ensure the nuclei turn blue? Correct answer number is B. Check the slide under the microscope or the 10 dips. Which rapid stain provides fast and clear cellular details for exfoliative cytology? Crystal violet. What is the purpose of the May Greenwald Giemsa stain in FNAC? Fine needle aspiration cytology. Correct answer is B. Which reagent is used to fixative for MGG staining? Methanol. Which rapid stain is used to control cross contamination Wedwin slide? Correct answer is A. Toluidine blue. And next question number 100. How long does the saline dehydration technique typically take for rehydration a smear? Correct answer number is B. 30 seconds. तो फ्रेंड्स पार्ट नंबर 2 में बस यहीं तक. पार्ट नंबर 3 लेके आऊंगा जिसमें आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 101 से लेके जो इस चैप्टर के लास्ट होंगे वहां क्वेश्चंस तक आपको पूरा ये क्वेश्चंस लेके आने वाला हूं. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 148 तक लास्ट हो जाएगा फ्रेंड्स हमारा 3rd नंबर पार्ट में. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. हैव अ गुड डे. अगर आपको पसंद आया तो इसका ई बुक जरूर ले लें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. हैव अ गुड डे. जय हिंद, जय भारत.